What's up, drone enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some really exciting news to share about one of the most anticipated drones of the year, the DJI Air 4. Now, there have been some juicy leaks and rumors floating around, and it looks like this drone is going to be packed with some seriously impressive features. So, if you're a fan of aerial photography or just a tech lover, stick around because we're diving into everything you need to know about the upcoming DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is rumored to continue the legacy of the Air series, which means we're expecting a sleek, foldable, and super compact design. This makes it perfect for those who love traveling light while still capturing breathtaking shots from the sky. One thing we're hearing from the rumor mill is that the Air 4 could be even lighter than the Air 3, which weighed in at 720 grams. So not only will it be super portable, but it might also be more agile and easier to maneuver in the air. Now, let's talk about what might be the most exciting upgrade, the cameras. Rumors suggest that both of the Air 4's cameras could feature larger 1-inch sensors. For those of you not familiar, larger sensors typically mean better image quality, especially in low-light situations. This could be a game changer for anyone who shoots in challenging lighting environments, like early morning sunrises or just after sunset when the light is fading fast. But that's not all. Another exciting rumor is that the Air 4 could include a variable aperture, giving you more control over exposure and depth of field. Imagine being able to adjust your aperture mid-flight for perfect exposure or to get those buttery smooth background blurs. This could seriously elevate your aerial shots to a whole new level. For video creators, the Air 4 could come with 4K video capture at high frame rates, making it ideal for fast-paced action. Whether you're filming sports, wildlife, or even just dynamic landscapes, this will give you the ability to slow things down while still maintaining crisp, high-quality footage. There's also speculation that DJI could introduce a mechanical shutter, which would be huge for aerial mapping and reducing distortion when filming fast-moving objects. So, if you're into high-speed action, this could be a really important feature. Of course, DJI drones are known for their advanced flight features, and the Air 4 seems like it's going to push things even further. Rumors point to enhanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance, meaning it'll be safer to fly even in the trickiest environments. Not only does this make flying more reliable, but it's especially important for those who love flying in complex environments, whether it's in the middle of the woods, between buildings, or even indoors. And let's not forget about battery life. Leaks are suggesting the Air 4 could have a flight time of up to 50 minutes, which would be a solid upgrade over the Air 3's already impressive 46 minutes. Another area where the Air 4 could really shine is its transmission system. While we don't have all the details just yet, it's likely that DJI will retain key features from the Air 3, such as omnidirectional obstacle sensing, active track for intelligent subject tracking, and an improved return-to-home function. Active track is a fan favorite, allowing the drone to follow you while keeping you perfectly framed, and the enhanced return-to-home feature could provide even more confidence when you're flying far from your starting point. Now, the big question, when can we expect to see the DJI Air 4? According to leaks, we might be looking at a release as early as the second half of 2025, which would fall right in line with DJI's usual release cycles. As for pricing, no official numbers have been revealed yet, but based on the Air 3's price of $1,099, we expect the Air 4 to be competitively priced around the same mark. Overall, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones of the year, with potential upgrades to camera quality, flight time, and safety features. Whether you're a professional videographer or just someone who loves capturing incredible footage on your travels, this could be a drone to keep on your radar. So, what do you think? Are the rumors and leaks about the DJI Air 4 enough to get you excited, or are you holding out for even more info? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in drone tech, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe.